There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters. That's all I.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my video for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for my returning subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you for always coming back to support me. You guys are so amazing. You guys are so beautiful. You guys are so fabulous. Oh my goodness. And if you are new to my channel and you subscribe right now, I mean right now, may God Almighty continue to bless you. And you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh my God. So guys, today's video, it's all about this beautiful look guys. Oh my goodness, did you want to know how I managed to put everything together? Okay, continue watching my video to the end and you will see how I put everything together. And you all know I'm just learning, and if you are a learner like me, then come in. This video is for you. If you want to know how I put everything together, continue watching my video to the end and see you on my next video. Bye. Hey guys, hope you guys are doing fine. So guys, today's video I'm going to be doing a very simple makeup guys. Okay, so if you are a learner, I think this video is for you. You know, on my last video I told you guys I'm learning, and today you are going to see the result. I think I'm learning fast. All right, first of all, I have to use this on my lips. It's very important to do this before doing your makeup, okay, to avoid breaking of the lips. I know you don't want that for yourself, so you have to do this to make sure your lips is in place. That is just it. So this is to moisturize my lips guys. You know, I don't want to have a dry lips, so let's get into the makeup right now. So guys, I'm going to be using this to moisturize my face first. Moisturizing your face is very important before doing your makeup. It will make your makeup last long. I have to use my hand guys, you know, just to make sure everything gets in well. You can also use brush if you think you are professional enough. So as you can see, my face is different from the beginning. All right, so guys, I'm going to be using this to protect my skin guys, you know, to protect my entire face, because I don't want anything to happen to my face guys. So I'm not going to be using much, and still I'm going to use my hand to make sure everything gets in and stick in guys. So when doing this, you have to make sure everything goes in. Okay, so as you can see, my face is looking so perfect. All right, I blended so well, and this was done with my hand guys. You can actually use a brush, but I don't use a brush. So guys, I'm going to be using this primer. All right, so you all know the work of primer. Using a good primer is very important to your skin, so make sure you get a good one. So guys, don't forget, everything I'm doing with my face right now, I'm using my hand. You can actually use your brush if you want. You don't need to follow my step. I'm just doing what is best for me. That is it. So guys, I'm going to be using this to set my brow before using my eyebrow pencil guys. Setting your eyebrow with setting powder before drawing your brow is very important. So guys, it's time to draw my eyebrow. You all know I already have the line there. All I need to do is just to darken it and follow the line. That is just it, and I will not be touching the front. Right now I'm going to be using my streaking eyebrow gel. This will make your brow to last long. So as you can see, it's looking so perfect already. So guys, right now I'm going to be doing the same thing on this side. This really make my brows to last long. I love it so much. So right now I'm going to be using my concealer to make sure everything is okay. The line is, so this is my concealer guy. You can use any concealer you have. All right, so I'm going to be using this under the brow while using this on top of the brow. okay, just to clean the bra to make it look so perfect. So guys, I'm going to be using my concealer to make sure the bra is looking so beautiful, and to straighten it and to remove the excess line, guys. That is just it. So as you can see the way it's looking right now, so I'm going to be using my beauty sponge to blend it out. I love to blend it at first before doing the other side. It will make everything look simple for me and fast. You see the way it's looking right now, so I'm going to be doing the same thing on this side. This left side is very difficult to do, guys, so if you are doing it, you have to be careful not to spoil everything. So if you do, you have to start all over again. So I will just go ahead to blend it out to make everything look the same and perfect, guys. Right now we are going to be doing the top. Don't forget I said I'm going to be using this. So for the top of my bra, I would not be using bright color at all. As you can see, the under I used a very bright color, and at the top right now I'm using a color with my skin tone, you know, so that it can blend well into my skin. I don't know how to put the word, guys, so I'm really feeling this this makeup. I love this makeup. So right now I'm going to be blending it out. So I will just go ahead to blend everything together so that my eyeshadow can stay well, you know. So this part, oh my goodness. So right now, guys, we are going to be doing our eyeshadow, guys. So right now I'm going to be using this dark color, and we are going to be using this 2 color and finish with this very color, making 3, guys. If it's too bright, then we'll use this to dull the color, guys. Don't forget I'm learning. So guys, I'm about to do my eyeshadow. Oh my goodness, you know, doing this eyeshadow was so good, you know. At the same time I was feeling so nervous, you know. This is the part of the makeup, the real part of the makeup, guys. Very hard. So as you can see, I blend this so well, guys. So right now we are going to be going with this color, guys, this very one. So right now, guys, I'm going in with this brown color. You all know we are not doing a very loud makeup, guys. So don't forget we are going for everyday makeup, so it's not going to be very loud. So this makeup is going to be very cool and simple, guys. So right now I'm doing the other side. So right now we are still going back to the former brush we are using before to blend everything together. So I will just go ahead to blend everything together, not to leave any harsh line. You know, it's very important to blend it. You can see it's wet blend right now. This is exactly what you need. You need to make sure everything is blended together. Okay, so there is no harsh line. So don't forget I said we are going to be using this and this, guys. So after everything, after all the makeup, guys, then I'm going to be using this at the corner. Okay, this very corner, guys. So right now we just go ahead to do my eyeliner, guys. So if you are not a professional, you are just learning like me, I will advise you not to do it because it's very hard and it will mess up your makeup. So right now we just go ahead to do my foundation. Oh my goodness. So guys, I will not be using brush. You know, I told you guys I will not go that brush right now. So I will just go ahead to use my beauty sponge, guys. Oh my god. So if you are using a beauty sponge, make sure it's okay for you. You can use water to make it look very soft. Okay, not don't allow water to remain. Make sure all the water is out of it. And applying your foundation, when blending it, and you think the makeup is too much for you, all you have to do is to continue blending till you get what you want. Okay, so right now we just go ahead to do my concealer, you know, to under my eyes, you know, to make it look so bright. And you will be using more brighter concealer than your foundation. All right, so as you can see on my face right now okay, so as you are blending your concealer, make sure you blend it upwards. Okay, all right, so that it will lift up your eyes, your eyes or your face. I don't know how to put the word anyway. So just continue blending and make everything look perfect. So right now we just go ahead to do what is it called, contouring. Okay, so when doing this, you have to be very careful. You know, it's very harsh, so you need to be very careful, and you make sure you do it around your face, the hair, what is it, okay, your forehead. All right, so that is just it. You make sure everything is blended well and everything is looking fabulous without leaving any harsh line. So as you can see the way everything is looking right now, I use my beauty sponge to blend everything, guys. I never use brush. So as a beginner, you need to use this, okay? Because I don't think you can use brush. Brush is very, very hard if you are just learning. So it's really for professional, I must say. I cannot use brush right now to blend my foundation or to blend my concealer, guys. You know what I'm talking about, because it's going, if you don't blend it well, it's going to give you that ash line, okay? So I know you don't want that for yourself. So the best thing for you is to go in with your beauty blender sponge, guys. It's very, very important. So guys, I'm going to be setting under my eyes, right? So guys, it's time to set your face. All right, so right now I will be using my loose powder on the area where I put my concealer. Okay, so after that I will go ahead to set the whole face, all right, using my powder. So this is the hardest part of the makeup, guys, you know, so be careful when doing this not to mess everything up as a new beginner. All right, so right now we just go ahead to start using my powder for all my face. So when doing this on the area of your concealer, you don't drag it, just continue to push it in. I don't know how to put the word, you know, just continue. This is the place I use my brush, okay? You know, blending your face, I don't know how to put the word, using on your, when you have foundation on, you have to use your beauty sponge. Don't try to use brush, but for the powder you can use brush. Is very, very easy. So as you can see, guys, everything is wet blend. So this is what you need, okay? Don't just do makeup and leave everything like that without blending. If you don't blend, everything is going to, your face is going to be looking like a masquerade, trust me. As you can see, the way my face is looking now is looking so beautiful, guys. I blend everything well. So now we just go ahead to do the nose, you know. So you have to be careful with this nose and the kind of shade. So as you can see, we are done with the nose. So right now we are going back. We're going in with the mascara. And you have to be careful. So guys, it's time to do the mascara. Oh my god, you have to be very careful, okay, when doing this mascara of a thing. If you don't want to spoil your makeup, and doing the under eyes too, you need to be very, very careful, okay? As you can see, the way I'm doing everything, I'm being careful, so careful, guys. That is just it. I love this makeup. Don't forget, I said we are going to be using this and this. So right now it's time to use this. Using the third color, guys, is just to make that place look shiny. That's all, nothing much. I just want everything to be beautiful, and this is how I fix my lashes. Oh my god, lashes is very, very simple to fix, so don't tell me you are having trouble fixing your lashes. So guys, as you can see, it looking so beautiful. So it's time to do the lips. So for the lips, guys, I don't normally do much on my lips, okay? So guys, it's time to do the lips. Oh my goodness, so you all know I don't normally do much on my lips. Yeah, I just like a simple lipstick. Guys, we are going to be using these two together. So guys, I will be using this bright color, you know. After I will use another one. So I will use this to calm it down. So that is it, guys. Right now I love the way my lips is looking, so it's time to use the lips gloss to make it look so perfect and beautiful. As you can see, everything is looking so perfect. So we are going to be going in with this. It's time to highlight my face, guys, you know. I don't know what you guys are calling it. So you see now it's looking so beautiful. So guys, I'm going to be using my 16 hours long lasting spray to lock in the makeup, guys. After that, I'm going to be using this to make everything look so beautiful and look sparkling. Oh my god. All right, and to maintain your makeup till the end, okay? Don't forget to shake it before using. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So guys, if I can do this, you can do it too, okay?
Wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside